All right, day 3 of the 40-day challenge. If you've been joining me all 3 days, we're in day 3, possibly in day 2. This could be your first. Regardless, whenever you join up, I challenge you to go 40 days of prayer with something that's on your heart. Today, about the number 40, just some interesting things, not necessarily pertaining to scripture, but 40 is the only number in English which has its letters in alphabetical order. Minus 40 degrees or 40 below is the only temperature that is the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. When the bubonic plague gripped Europe during the Middle Ages, ships would be isolated in harbors for 40 days before passengers could go ashore. The word quarantine originates from the Venetian dialect form of the Italian quaranta giorni, meaning 40 days. Maybe for COVID we need to do 40 days. Anyways, there are 40 spaces on a Monopoly board, proving that life is a gamble. The game gives players equal chances, 1 in 40, of going directly to jail or winning the free parking prize. Forget about 9 months. A typical pregnancy actually lasts 40 weeks. And it took chemists 40 attempts to develop the magical spray we knew as, wait for it, WD-40, whose full name is Water Displacement 40th Formula. So just some tidbits there on 40. Again, the challenge 40 is whatever's on your heart. My challenge would be for you to pray for it for 40 days and 40 nights. If you take this challenge, please get back to me with what happens if you take this challenge and let me know. As I said before, this is more of an exercise for myself in a spiritual walk, but hopefully maybe some of you take up the challenge also. Thanks. Have a good evening. Find something to be grateful for today. Hope your day was blessed. Hope you have a restful evening and a good sleep.